is appointed with an objective to create unity and eliminate divisions. Number one, silindele leadership ukuthi yakhe ubungane kule region. Ingakwenzi ukuthi kube yiyona edividayo. This is derived from the experience of divisions and parallel structures and programs that have beset our organization in the one year, 3 months of its existence. Ngapha kule region asikaze sibe nenkinga ehlasele amanye ama-region. Amanye ama-region nanama-parallel structures bese kuba nama-parallel programs. Ngenye indlela inama-leadership amabili i-region leyi. Commanders, sizoba khona isikhathi senu sokuthi nikhulume. Ngiyacela ukuthi nindedele nami ukhulume. Ngizoqeda bona manje. Yazi ngithi isikhathi eside kodwa kuhle ukuthi ngiqedele inkulumo yami. Bese nani nithola ithuba-ke lokukhuluma. Mina-ke ngiyahlupha ngoba ngisuke nje ngishaya ngezandla. Kwathi angimkhuze. Abuye ngayeka nje. Imamisa ngithi ngingashaya izandla. Ngoba kusho ukuthi abashaya izandla basuke besho ukuthi ukhuluma into abayithandayo. Bese ngiyaxakeka ukuthi base ngikhuluma ongayithandi uzokwenza njani. Ngoba angizele ukuzokhuluma into ethandwa umuntu. Zile ukuzokhuluma izinto eziphathelene nomkhonto nje. Nami nginikezwe ithuba lokuthi ngiwuhole njengamanje. It is expected that members of detachments will work collectively and not against each other. Silindele lezinsizwa neyintombi ukuthi angabe beyikho omunye osebenza against omunye. Kufuneka basebenze ndawonye. Babambisane ngalento esithi unity of purpose. Le esithi they must act in unity and unite in action. Silindele lokho. They must not work against each other or in competition with one another. Kwalento isihlaba nje sila emkhontweni. Abantu abeve becompete la emkhontweni. Yilo ufuna ukwenza iprogram yakhe. Nalo afuna ukuvala leyo program. Siyofika. Asingacompete. Wonke ama-programs akube ama-programs e-organization. Convener no-coordinator kwamanye ama-region ngibe ne-experience yokuthi kube khona abantu abenza ama-program bese bewenza i-leadership kanti ingenalo ulwazi. Bese iba nolwazi i-leadership. Wrong ukwenza iprogram i-leadership ingenalo ulwazi. Kodwa wrong futhi ukuthi uma ngabe i-leadership seyinolwazi bese ithi leyo program ayibe ngoba nginalwazi. Uyazi ukuthi njengoba nishaya izandla kukhona abanye abangayishayi abaphikisana nalento wena uyishaya izandla kodwa manje mina ngiyafisa ukuthi as-unite siyeke nje uyazi wena ukuthi uyavumelana nalento oyizwayo kwanele nje nangabe wazi uyazi futhi ukuthi lento oyizwayo ayinambithiseki kahle kuwena. Iproblem yakho ukuthi naku sengiyishilo manje mina ngisho ngoba ifanele libe uhlelo lomkhonto wesizwe. Uhlelo lomkhonto wesizwe luthi uma seni-aware of the problem leadership ithatheni niyenze ibe iprogram yomkhonto wesizwe but niyayistop. Masibukele. The struggle for positions is usually one of the most destructive practices as members elbow each other out of the race to lead. Kuyahlupha-ke nabe appointwa ngoba uye uxakeke ukuthi pho yini omunye umuntu afuna ukuzibonisa ukuthi ulida ngaphezulu komunye ngoba akezokhethwa. Abantu abenza leyo nto yilabo abafuna ukukhethwa. Manje awuzukhethwa kuhle ukuthi wenza kahle uqinisa umkhonto wesizwe yihle kabi leyo. Kodwa kusho ukuthi yenzake manje ukuthi omunye umuntu akabe sezindezelele ukuze wena uqame. Singaziqamisi ngezinhlelo zomkhonto wesizwe. Asenze nje inhlelo zomkhonto wesizwe ezizosiza abantu nezizosiza umkhonto wesizwe. The chair and secretary are the main glue that pulls everybody in the organization together. Laba babo babili bayi-glue ekufanele inamathelise le-organization. They must particularly work together closest than anybody else. Silindele ukuthi usihlalo nonobhala basebenze ngokukhulu ukubambisana ngaphezu kwawo umuntu. They must plan programs together. No one amongst them must hold meetings to discuss organizational matters with the other not knowing. Asilindele ukuthi ukhonvina uzoba nabantu bakhe axoxa nabo ngey'nhlelo zomkhonto wesizwe angazazi ucoordinator. Similarly, asilindele ukuthi ucoordinator ayoxoxa nabantu ngey'nhlelo zomkhonto wesizwe engazi usihlalo. Nina-ke ningena la kulo mkhakha ngoba basuke bexoxa nani nivume futhi ukuthi nixoxe into eseceleni noyedwa phakathi kwalabo liba-divide. And by so doing, divide umkhonto wesizwe. Nikwenze ningenankinga nje ukuthi divide umkhonto wesizwe. Well, kwesinye isikhathi ke siye singazi ngoba phela bakhona nabasebenzele engxenye. Okuwumsebenzi wabo ukuzodivide umkhonto wesizwe. Kusho ukuthi uyosifonela-ke plasidina sesifaka kulelo gumbi kuleyo category kudayi. Uyakhuzwa awukhuzeki, kusho ukuthi wenza lamabomu. Kusho ukuthi kuba khona obasebenzelayo. Any cracks, they must guard against any form of divisions, as they are either the strongest link or the weakest one. Any cracks that happen amongst them will cause them to be held accountable collectively as well as individually. Sizoba accountisa lapha. Bo uma ngeke kwakhona divisions khala kubona ukuthi ikalele division bani lapha phakathi kwenu kodwa leyo ukuthi kuze kube nale division so khala kubona sothi siza kinina sibe sesijulile kubona so bese sifika kinina sesizothi ngobani lapha abalekelela oyedwa walapha ukuthi divide umuntu. Leaders must protect the organization and protect themselves from all forms of factionalism. Let it be factionalism isebenze imali ngale kwakho. Yenze imali. Eshayinhlangano yayivala finish noma factions. Nalabantu abazigroupa bona bodwa bayeke ukusebenza into yenhlangano, basebenza into kamathanda wabo. Ngeke umkhonto wesizwe uthi uqala kube nama factions. Uma nje kuba nama factions, something is wrong kulabo bantu abama-factions. Yilabantu ke esizokhuluma ngabo namhlanje ukuthi bakwethu don't allow factions. Sithi ke this we can do by refusing to be a member of another member and belonging to groups. Sizocela inina nonke ukuba imember yenye member. Akumele nje member yomkhonto wesizwe. Yabona awisazi ukuthi ngiyabale. Angazi impela mzwitsi. Kodwa sithi i-members zomkhonto wesizwe aziyeke ukuba yi-members enye. Sithi leaders must also refuse to be invited to meetings and programs that are not organizational programs. Alama meeting lawa abantu endawanyaneni noma kwezinye indawo abantu balaphuzwa khona. Kulezo indawanyana. Wona ama meetings organization ama meetings nje alabo bantu abafuna ukubamba lawo ama meetings. Sithi leadership refuse to be invited to those meetings. nani-ke silekeleleni ningabayinvite. Beyond refusing to be a part of a suspected fictional program, leaders must report to the regional structures and, where necessary, provincial structure any tendency to pre-infections. Silindele ukuthi saziswe uma kukhona abantu ababhizi becreate ama-infections. Nawe uyilunga lomkhondo, uyena umkhulu, ulindelekile ukuthi sazise bawubona ukuthi khona infection ekhandekayo. Sazise ukuthi khandwa uba sizobakhuza uba bengakhuzeki, kuyoba njani. Silindele ukuthi umuntu bayekhuzwa emkhondweni akhuzeke. All parallel structures and programs we have been experiencing in the MK Party have been a result of acute factionalist tendencies. Kwesinye isikhathi abantu ababona ukuthi ama-factions yiwo lawa akhanda ukuthi kube nama-parallel structures nama-parallel programs. Sizothi-ke awaphele. The other destructive tendency to their organization is the use of social media to promote attacks against other members of the organization. Amalungu omkhondo wesizwe ayathanda ukuhlaselana kwi-social media. Nani ngahlaselani kuma-WhatsApp, hlaselana kuma-Facebook, hlaselana kuma-Telegram, ko-X, yonke le ndawanyana le lihlaselana nje. Yabona ke manje sihlaselana ngisho abaholi be-National High Command. Uyibuza ukuthi labaholi laba babeqoka kanjani ukuthi baze babe ku-National High Command bengakazi nje. Namafupani na-mental books awuphumi uyoxoxa idethi lineni ye-organization, uyoyixoxa lapha yakwabanye abantu ey'nkundleni lapho uyokwenza inhlangano ukuthi ibe yihlazo. Awukwenzi lo. Sizokhuza lokho la kinina namhlanje. Sikhuza kwi-leadership, sikhuza kinina leadership yakwamanye ama-structures noma niyimember. These allow our enemies access to our dirty linen. Instead of punishing the intended individuals, we end up causing untold damage to our organization. They say a mass organization. When we say we listen to Tabakuti, don't say social media or the sick. I'm going to listen to some controversies. Sizokuzale lo. The leaking of confidential organizational information to other parties is equal to treason. Thina ngisasikhule bakwethu kukhona into ethi uma uke wathatha information ye-organization bayikhiphela kwabanye abantu, unecala, yicala elikhulu kabi, funeka ujeze nawe kakhulu. Senaba lenhlanhla-ke ningakusana nikhula kusesona isikhathi somzabalazo. Isikhathi somzabalazo sasithi mawujeza ujezela ukhipha information, wawujeza kakhulu okwangempela, kangangokuthi kwesinye isikhathi wawushiya nalomhlaba nobumnandi bawo. Kwesinye isikhathi bayesenaba lenhlanhla ngakusenzeni konke. Kwesinye isikhathi abanye bethu sisithi yebo nje simdelela kangaka, seningasafundi, nikhuzwe ningakhuzeki, nincengwe ningancengeki. Bathi-ke namhlanje sizocela ukuthi silekeleleni aniwenze umuntu wesizwe ukwazi ukuthi sithi at no time must leaders and members of our party feel proud to have leaked party information. Ungabi proud manje ukuthi ungolise igama lomuntu wesizwe. Ungabi proud. Uyikhaya ukuthi ya ungolisile namhlanje umuntu wesizwe. History has taught us that some of the most destructive tendencies in revolutionary organizations is the proliferation of lies, gossip, rumors, and rumor mongering. If members of the organization are prone to these tendencies, they inadvertently allow the enemies to have a field day helping us to spread these amongst ourselves. The result is the sowing of mistrust, distrust, suspicions, hatred, and animosity. Bakwethu, hey, yazi enhlanganweni enjengomkhonto wesizwe sethu kangaka, awulindele ukuthi ibe namanga angaka. Akhulunywe nje amanga, kodwa akhulunywe as if ayiqiniso. Awulindele ukuthi kube namahlebezi angaka, kube nenhlebo engaka. Kuhletshwe ngomuntu, kwesinye isikhathi kuhletshwa ngayo khona naye kuleyo khona. Kodwa kuhletshwe nje naye. La kule region yenu sengeke ngayikhuza leyo nto phakathi kwe-leadership. So angikhulumi ngento engiyiqagelayo, khuluma ngento esengeke ngayikhuza la. Uphephethekiswa nje amahlebezi. Sizocela-ke la ukuthi ake niwanise amahlebezi. Amanga nje aningabini zobotobo. Amanga kwesinye isikhathi abulalisa umuntu engenacala. Ngiphetha-ke ngokuthi sesikwenzile konke, sakusho konke. Kunezinto eniyibikile convener no-coordinator. Kunezinto ezibikiwe la eziyama-allegations. Kukhona nama-allegations abanye bacabanga ukuthi kwadliwa imali at some stage. Kukhona ama-allegations athi kwa-disruptwa nemicimbi ye-organization. Wonke lawo ma-allegations sizowa-subjecta to investigation. Azobhekwa wonke. Yo. Akukho okuzupheka. Uma futhi sesiphekile konke, asiyukuba namahloni okubuya sizosho ukuthi sesiphekile lokhu safika la. Bese sithi nasi-ke isinqumo senhlangano yethu. Konke-ke lokhu esengikushilo kuyizinto engahambe ngizisho kuzo zonke iy'funda zethu, ama-region ethu. Wonke sifike sikhulume ngalolu daba. Bese siphetha-ke ngento okuyiyona ebalulekile. Sizothi nina, please support leadership ekhethiwe, nisebenze nayo, nibambisane nayo. Please avoid ukuyifaka ey'lingweni lezi esisikhulume ngazo la. Ngalawo mazwi-ke lolu ngicabanga ukuthi ngingadedela kuwena ukuthi nawe ubeka amazwi okugcizelela kule nkulumo. Mina sengiqedile ngokwe-provincial detachment. Siyobe sesinikeza-ke lezi-member ukuthi zikhulume lokhu ezikhulumayo. Sihlale, asitendele indlu la. Ngiyabonga.